Okie doke. We are dealing with a problem here with a guy named Cody, who is traveling in a boat. He heads out at noon. I have a little graph of his path here. He heads out at noon, and at 1 o'clock he is, put this up here, 5 miles to the east. So this graph is also kind of a map, and he is 12 miles north. So up here is north. So 5 miles east and 12 miles north of where he started. So if he continues on this straight path, assuming he continues on this straight path, the question is, where will he be at 2 o'clock? How far will he have traveled? And what's his speed? So we're actually going to look mostly in a table here, and this is another parametric equation sort of problem. We've got our time, t, measured in hours. We've got east and north positions, which are kind of our x and y, well, they are our x and y coordinates. We have our total distance, and for something later on we have fuel used. So let's calculate its distance, and that's just a Pythagorean theorem problem. So I'm going to go down here for a little star. All right, star, we've got Pythagorean theorem calculation. Star, find distance at 1 p.m. So we've got a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A and b are 5 and 12. Let's see, 25, 144, 169, and square root of 169 is 13. So he's 13 miles from where he started. So we'll go ahead and fill that in on our chart up here. 13 miles. So we know that he is so that's where he's at hour 1. Well, if I go to hour 2, he'll then be twice as far to the east and twice as far to the north. His total distance will also be twice as far. So there's the first question. To answer the first question, so let's make a note of that down here. At 2 p.m., he is 26 miles from home. His speed, because we wanted to know that too, is, so that speed is miles per hour. So distance divided by time equals rate, and we have 13 over 1 equals rate, which is 13 miles per hour. Right? And there we figured out what Cody's speed is. Where he is at hour 2, he's 26 miles out, at 10 miles east, 24 miles north. And you can actually here take a look. This is going to be 2 p.m. The coordinates are 10:24. You could just follow them out on the line. Here was 5:12. So to answer our questions, let's see. At 2 o'clock, he's at the position 10 miles east, 24 miles north. He's traveled a total of 26 miles, and his speed is 13 miles per hour.